Hi everyone. So I'm going to give you a review on a mineral makeup that I found. It's a mineral makeup kit by City Colors, and this is what it looks like for fair to light skin. Although I probably should have get the medium because this color is like really light. It's almost like porcelain white for my skin anyhow, my skin color. This is what it looks like from the front. You get your mineral powder, you get your bronzer, this is your blush, and this is your highlighter, and this is what it looks like from the back. And what's good about this is that it's vegan and it's cruelty free, with the bunny sign right there. And doesn't contain any bismuth oxychloride like some popular mineral makeup brands have. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I'll go ahead and open it up. The packaging looks like this. I'll give you swatches of all the colors. So I think next time when I get this, I'll probably get it in a medium color. But this is what the mineral powder looks like. That's the swatch right there. And as you can see, it's fairly white, but it comes off very smoothly. And me, I have dry skin. I have dry, sensitive skin, but this comes on. I rub it in my hand. It comes off really smoothly. So that's the face powder. Next is the mineral bronzer. Sorry if my lighting is not so good. I'm filming this in nighttime, just in my room. So yeah, so excuse the lighting. Plus, it's on my tablet, and it's not very good quality video on my tablet. So yeah, but this is what the bronzer looks like. Now this bronzer is really, really good, and it's really pigmented for being the type of mineral makeup that it is. And I'll give you a swatch of that. You guys can get a better swatch. So I have to put in a lid here, like that. Put my finger on, and just swatch it. And that's what the bronzer looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you go, a little bit. But that bronzer is really pigmented. That would look really nice. And I'll show you the blush. The blush color is really nice, although it's a very type of light pink though. I don't know if it will show up any good color, but it's a nice color blush. It's sort of like a baby pink color. Let's see if I can get a swatch. So that's what the blush color looks like right there. And there's also a highlighter color. And this is what the highlighter color looks like. It's white. And let's see if it's shimmery. Oh, it even has a protective sister. So I probably should save that. And this is what the highlighter looks like. Here's the dog barking. Oh yeah, that's a really pigmented highlighter color. But yeah, so that is the mineral makeup, and it goes on very, very smoothly, and I have dry, sensitive skin, so yeah. And this retailed for $5.99, and I got it in my Style Store. It's a clothing store for young women. And so yeah, so I really like it. Can't wait to try it out even more. So yeah, so that's my review of it. I like it, so can't wait to wear it. And some other stuff I got at Styles is I have this nice top. I'm a size small, and it comes with a nice necklace, and goes for $20 or $19.99. And I also got a nice green jacket. This also goes for $19.99. And also I got an e.l.f. crease brush, and this is what it looks like. It's very small tapered, and it costs $1.99. So yeah, so that is my review. So hope you guys like it. So pick it up for yourself and let me know how you like the set. It comes with a face powder, a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter, and it's from City Colors. You can also look them up at citycolors.com. I've already looked them up, and they have some good stuff. So yeah. So okay, bye.